Okay, so today we're making this delicious, I can't wait to show you this delicious pizza. It's a pear, lemon, beet pizza with parsley and white cheddar and a lot of tasty, tasty deliciousness just going straight into your mouth. And it's made to pair with a canned wine. Canned wine. You're probably thinking, why canned wine? So, cans. Cans are most common thing that gets recycled, right? In fact, 75% of all aluminum is still in circulation. So drink canned wines because it's green. And this is especially green because it's SIP certified. So SIP certification works with vineyards, wineries. They look at the whole picture on how a business, a winemaking business can be sustainable. They're looking at how the people are treated, how the land is treated, how the energy is used. And they have some delicious, delicious wines. Stuff to go with this pizza. This, let me just show you one more time. Pear, beet, lemon. It has parsley and white cheddar. Let me tell you how to make it. Okay, so you want to take your pizza dough. What I like to do is press it out into a disc, getting that thicker part towards the edge, and then pick the pizza dough up and just turn it like a steering wheel until it stretches out into about 12-inch diameter pie. Lay that on your baking sheet. I use these really great mesh ones. I really like them. Lay it on the baking sheet. We're going to add our white sauce. Take that white sauce and just cover the whole pizza with it. Next, you're going to add in your white cheddar cheese. Now, I didn't shred this because I wanted to have those pockets of cheddar cheese in between just like straight white delicious sauce. So you do you. Add in those sliced lemons. These are paper thin slices because I want just to add a little bit of that tartness. If you've ever had like a lemon cream sauce, that's kind of what I'm going here, but with straight up lemons. So just paper thin slices of lemon, lay that out. We're gonna add in our sliced pear. Next up is our beets. I used canned shoestring beets. You can do however you want to do. Just add those beets in. And then we're going to take this pizza and put it in the oven. We're going to bake it at 500 degrees for about 10 minutes. Now, I recommend checking on it after the 5th minute. Check it every couple minutes because depending on how thin you got your dough, it might be done sooner, but it's about 10 minutes at 500 degrees. And then take that out of the oven and top it off with some chopped parsley. And then you're gonna have this delicious, delicious pizza to go with what? Yep, canned wine. Please try canned wine. It's great for the environment. Cans are way more recycled than bottles are. 75% of all aluminum is still in circulation, which is, hey, reduce, reuse, recycle, right? And look for SIP certified wines because drinking green is not only tasty, it's good for the planet. So I hope you enjoy this pizza. See you next time.